I am Lizeth Medina. I am the manager of technical services with Neenah Foundry.
Neenah Foundry was created in 1872 to support area farmers. A few years after, we started to produce the manhole covers, for which we are internationally known. Neenah Foundry has such a bright future because we partner with so many different companies and cities.
So the best part of my job is the fact that I get to come to work every day and I get to work with a fantastic team of people that is working towards improving what we have today. Every day, a customer requires something new, something better, something lighter, something stronger. So we get to provide what the customer needs. I think manufacturing is a very important piece in the development, not only of a country, but a society. The blooming technology that we get to see today is nothing but a refinement and an improvement that what was happening 10, 20 years ago. You need manufacturing to make things faster, to move around, to go to Mars. I mean, manufacturing is the core of how civilizations develop. I don't think we have seen the full potential of what manufacturing can do.